In this video, it'll teach you how to make this trending edit in Capcut PC. Don't skip the video and watch it carefully to understand. Start off by importing your clips and the music. Adjust your clips on the timeline and add your music so that it matches on the right beat. Now it doesn't fit my audio on the beat, so I will slow down the audio. Here I will add 2 keyframes and lower the audio just before the beat for the edit and increase it in the last keyframe. Next, I will extract the audio from the clips. You can also choose to skip this step. Now I will add my Twixtor clips here for the edit. Turn on the beats for the audio. Now add your clip that covers 3 beats, split it, and add a flash in curve and speed. I will trim it a little more short because the beats aren't always accurate in Capcut. Next, freeze the starting frame of this clip. Put it above the previous clip and follow my steps. Make a cutout. Once it's done, add a keyframe, bring it in the end, and add 1 more keyframe and put it scaling to 0 and bring it in the beginning of the clip. Then add this graph. Now, next clip, add a keyframe in the start and in the end, and zoom it. In the last keyframe, and add quad out graph. Right-click and create it into a compound clip. Copy-paste this clip and reverse it. Once it's done, combine both clips and convert it into a compound clip again. Change its speed to 2x. Now, you have to repeat this process, adding keyframes and zooming it, and then adding graph onto every next clip and adjusting it according to the beats. Next, search and add shake effect onto the cutout. Copy and add keyframes values like I do. Add it again just before start and end of clip, and copy my keyframe values. Copy-paste this shake effect before start and end of every clip. Add oblique blur, and copy my keyframe values. Copy paste it onto every clip like before. Add white screen and copy keyframe values. Change its blending mode to overlay. Now I'll add a ripple overlay here. And basically it's done. You can add other effects as a finishing touch like black flash and some filters to correct the colors of your edit. Thank you for watching. Hope it helps.